Frank, do you want to do science?
Yes.
Okay. Say bye to the Play-Doh and say hi to the science.
Hi.
So... Assistant.com.
You have to wait.
Wait. I'm gonna put two, so we got water, honey, this is honey, and oil. So I'm gonna put 2 drops of coloring, food coloring.
That's wrong.
Hold on, Frank. And then we are going to drip it. 1,
Mom.
2. Okay, now,
Okay.
Frank, can I spin it? Okay. So we have the test tube.
Franco can hold it while you pour the
So which one should we do first?
oil.
Also,
What kind of matter is this? Honey, water and oil.
oil. So yeah.
These are all what? Kuya Santino.
Water.
They are all what matter?
You can drink it.
It means so are they solid, liquid, or gas?
Liquid?
They are all liquid because they flow, okay?
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
so we will know which is the heaviest. Santino and Franco, which liquid do you think is heavier? The oil or the water?
The water. It's heavy.
Okay. How about you, Franco? Which of this liquid
Honey.
is
Actually,
the
yeah,
heavier?
honey.
We'll do the honey later. Just this one.
Ah.
The
Water?
water also? Okay. So,
No.
Kuya, you have to you have to hold it. Hold it up high here.
Go.
Hold it up. Like this. Yeah, hold it like this, okay?
I'm gonna pour.
No, Kuya, wait. Okay. Santino, put the oil first.
Tell me when to stop, okay? Ah.
You know what? Put it here so that it's the same. We'll put 3 tablespoons. And
Stop,
ready?
Frank, stop! Stop.
Stop.
Okay,
Okay.
Frank, hold it.
Kuya Ino first.
Me.
Santino first, Frank.
Me.
Frank, wait. Santino first. You will do the water, okay? You have to hold
Okay.
this.
Frank.
Oh, that's too much.
Mom.
That's too much. Wait. So, if you put the water, it should be under the oil or on top of the oil?
That's all. Stop.
On top?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's put 2.
Oh, too much. I'll hold it. No,
Franco,
do you want to
do
pour
this.
it in? No. Okay, I'll
Pour
pour
this
it
in? No.
No.
Franco, this is what we need to put inside. What do you want? Hold it or you pour the water?
Stop.
Huh?
Top.
It will be on top. Okay. Do you want to put the water on top or you want to hold the test tube?
Okay,
You hold it. Okay. Okay. Yan. It should be on top, right?
Yep.
But look. Where? Oh. Where's the water going?
on the bottom! Whoa!
Wow!
Can I hold it now?
Yes, you're holding it. See? Where's the water?
On the bottom.
On the bottom of the oil.
So basically the water is heavier than this. We do it.
Close it.
Close it.
Yeah. Where's the lid? And then, what do you think will happen if you mixed it?
So you're telling me we should shake it?
Yes, wait. Do not shake it yet.
Wait, stop!
Will it mix together or it will not mix together?
It will not mix together.
Okay, let's see. Mix it. Next. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, they're shaking it so heavy.
Whoa, it's turning like into like blue. Light blue.
Light, it's turning into light blue.
No, it's turning into a potion.
A potion. Okay. Well.
Oh. Wait, I don't do that. I don't do that. You see nothing?
Let's wait. Look what's happening under.
Wait, there's water.
Look on top.
Whoa. It did mix.
What?
Wait, what? Oh wait, the water was still on the bottom, but the oil was everywhere, but the oil was covering the water.
Yeah, and then? Oh, what happened now?
Now there's water and oil.
It's separated again. Where's the water? Where's the water?
On the bottom.
Oh, where's the oil?
On the top.
Oh, okay. So it's separated. You know why?
Why?
Because the particles of water and oil, they do not like each other. So they cannot be mixed together at all. Again? Okay. So you have...
Just put it on the pan. Make sure that it goes on the top. Open. Saka you're the holder, huh? Hold it properly. There. Put it on top of the rice. Close it there. What's that? That's the oil. Careful, it's slippery because of oil. You also put on them too. Put it down. Let's see. Where will it go? On top? It's okay. Don't put it back.
Wait. Where will it go? On top of the oil or at the bottom of the oil? Bottom of the oil.
How about that? Whoa! And that's why I wanted to pour it back. Yeah.
Too much. That's okay.
The bed, yeah. You're killing it. Wait, can I see? I want to see
I'm gonna drink it.
No.
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 This time we want to put
Honey.
honey. Okay? So, let's see.
Kuya, hold this. You're the holder. Okay, Franco, let me pour the oil first.
Where's the oil? Where's the water? Which is heavier? Which one? The water.
I wanna do the honey.
How about Franco squeeze it first and then you squeeze it here. Or there.
Okay, Frank.
You can help him, I think.
The honey's extra slow.
Do you remember the word for extra slow?
Yeah.
What?
Extra slow. Viscomousty.
Let's see.
Wait, this is actually heavier? It's heavier! Heavier!
It's heavier!
Can you do more? I want to do more.
Okay.
Frank. Ooh, this actually looks
You have to watch, Frank. Where will the honey go?
What?
Is is it going? Oh, heavier than oil. And heavier than?
Well, water.
Heavier
It
than
passed
water.
through the it passed through the water, so that means honey is the king.
So it went at the bottom?
Yes.
Your bottom.
Hold on. That's the knight, that's the queen, and that's the king. Wow.
Because the heavier it is, the
Better it is, yes.
Okay.
No. I want to shake it. Let me shake it. I can
Okay.
shake it first, okay?
Let's show them first.
Okay.
Wait.
I'm gonna show them. Frank, let go. Frank, let go.
Let's show them first. That's the honey, which is the heaviest liquid,
That's honey. That's water. That's liquid.
which is the lightest. Kuya,
I cannot.
what is the lightest liquid? What do you call it?
I forgot.
All of these are liquid, but what do you call it? It's the
Oil
yes. It's the
and the
oil
water and the honey.
and the honey. So which
Three.
is the heaviest?
Honey.
Heaviest. And
Do you think what will happen when you shake it? I don't know. You wanna know? Yes. Oh my god, the honey stain is too sticky. Whoa! So close. Ready, set, go. Oh there. You have applause, boss. Oh yeah.
Look at it. It mixed.
do you think it's mixed?
No.
Let's just wait. Just look what happened here. They're totally separated, guys.
Stop.
Don't drink it.
Now it's actually a cinnamon squishy. Ew!
You don't do that. Which is heavier, oil or water?
Water.
What? Water. The water is heavier.
And see you guys. School is fun. School is fun. Awesome it is. We're done with school, Frank. Was it cool? Frank, was that cool?